How to use Atome card for installment. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Atome card for installment. First, download the Atome app on your mobile. Then, click this activation link to enjoy RM15 off on your first purchase via Atome. Now, start verification by adding your preferred debit or credit card. After that, submit your IC and facial verification. Proceed to step 2 if you've downloaded and verified your Atome account. Go to our website, add your preferred item to the cart, then proceed to payment. Here, fill up your personal and shipping details. Next, select Atome as your payment method during checkout. You will be directed to the Atome app. It will pop out a notification to show your available voucher, which is RM15 off. Once you confirm your order, only 1/3 of the total amount will be deducted from your card. The remaining balance will auto-deduct in the next 2 months. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.